So what product research software do you need? Well, there's two pieces to this. One is the Jungle Scout web app and one is the Jungle Scout Chrome extension. And I'm going to quickly talk you through both of those now. So this is the Jungle Scout web app, and you'll need this tool to search through Amazon's database. This tool allows you to search through Amazon's database by putting in some filters. So you're able to put the minimum amount of sales that you might be looking for when you're doing your research. You're able to put the minimum amount of price, and you're able to put the maximum amount of reviews or the minimum amount of reviews, etc. So this tool will allow you to search through the whole of Amazon. There's 3 pricing plans with the Jungle Scout web app. I'd strongly advise to go with the startup, which is $39 a month. However, once you've found your product, you can actually go and cancel your subscription. They also give you a money back guarantee, which is up here, you can see, but just sign up to the startup version. So the other piece of software that you're going to need is the Jungle Scout extension. Now this is the most important piece of software that you're going to need. So say for example you go into Amazon and you type in bamboo marshmallow sticks. This is what would come up, and you'd get all of the information on your competitors' prices, the ranking, their sales, their revenue, the reviews, and the average rating, etc. So you can see how important this could be. You could also click into the sales and the price, for instance, and see if there's been any change over time to see whether this product is right for you or not. So it's the most important piece of software to help you analyze whether this is the right product to pursue or not. Now, with Jungle Scout Pro extension, there are 2 one-time fee plans. I would advise to go for the light version. It will give you more than enough information that you need. They've actually dropped the price from $97 to $77 at the time of recording this video. I actually bought the Pro version, which was $197. You do not have to. Go for the light version, $77, one-time fee, and you will have that for a lifetime. So let's move on to the next video, and I'm going to show you the 5 super simple steps to product research.